Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username in your Discord account. So let's begin. First, access your Discord. Make sure it is the correct account you're using. And over here on the bottom left portion, this is your account information. And click on the gear icon, which says user settings. And the very first option, which says my account, that's where we need to be. This will show most of your account information, name, username, email, phone number. So the second option is username. As you can see, it's already showing up the current username that you are using on your account or display username. Then click on edit on the right uh, part. So you can easily backspace, type in any unique username. Okay, so just make sure to follow this, please. Only use numbers, letters, underscores, or periods, no other symbols. So after that, make sure you will enter your passwords, click done, and your main Discord will automatically save the changes for you. Your username should reflect right away. Click X, and you can see also right over here that your username has also updated. So that's it. That's how you can easily change your username in Discord. I hope you found this video very helpful.